Belgian
It's a
chocolate
technical term that,
sorbet. You wouldn't even think that was a sorbet based on the richness of the...
This is the nom 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 one.
This is the triple nom. This is the nom 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 gelato.
The nom nom nom.
Incredible. G'day ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here with the crew of the 2023 Parlor of the Year. What an honour, eh? Fiona and Michelina.
Hello.
Tell us about the whirlwind ride that you've had being chosen as Parlor of the Year.
It's been crazy, really. It was announced in the June, and since that time we've probably had about a 25% uplift in revenue, just footfall through the door. Crazy media presence. We're in London. We've been on nearly every national TV show. Food magazines with food critic come and review us. Yeah,
National
it's been.
So how was it judged? Did you put in an application and then did someone come to the Parlor? How do they judge Parlor of the Year?
Yeah, so we had a big application that we had to fill in. It looked quite daunting. We spent a bit of time on it. Fortunately, we'd been doing a lot of paperwork before to get our SALSA accreditation. So we already had stuff for our HACCP, allergen control, etc.
Right.
So we copied and pasted that into our application form. So it wasn't as tedious as it could have been if you were starting from scratch. And then we got told that we were one of the finalists from our applications. So that's where we thought, okay, well, we've got into the top 3. That's fantastic. They had 2-week session of secret shoppers coming round to the Parlor to ask us certain questions from not the ice cream industry, but the food industry. And they were external auditors. But we didn't know who they were.
Now, that's what I was going to say.
Quite stressful.
Yeah.
Did you really not know who it was?
There was
or?
a couple of hints now and again when people were asking questions that you were like, you're in the industry. You wouldn't ask those questions if you were a customer.
They gave themselves away.
Yeah.
The staff are more paranoid than us. They keep running in the back going, I think I've just had a secret shopper. We're like, why is that? It's like, well, they were asking me X, and I was like, well, that's normal. People ask that sort of question. So it was stressful time.
It was stressful because you were always on your besties anyway, but you were definitely on your besties when someone started looking around the Parlor like this, and you were like, "Is that them? Right, stand to attention, clean everything up, make sure you're right." You know, and almost maybe we were less natural than we would have been because for 2 weeks solid we were just. We've got to be on our best and just do everything perfect and not let one thing slip out of place.
I love the on your besties. We've got to be on our besties. So this was announced in June.
Yeah.
And so when do you have to hand this back?
Well, I'm presuming June again.
Yeah.
We don't know whether we're going to do a bit of a handover takeover to the new incumbents, whatever. We're going to enter again, so you know.
Oh well, you might as well
watch this space. Just because it's been great advertising for the industry. I think for us, we've always been a part of the ICA from the day one before we even opened the Parlor, just for the advice and that sort of professional standard. Our customers use it and expect that the Alliance is a professional standard.
Absolutely.
So for us, we want to keep winning, keep it at the forefront.
Keep improving and keeping that standard up.
Well, congratulations, you guys.
Thank you.
It's awesome, and it's great that you're leveraging. It's great that the ICA keeps the standard. It has these awards, and it allows you to leverage your business based on because this is
everyone's a winner.
Everyone's a winner. Hey, well, not everyone's a winner because there's some parlors that didn't win, but you guys are the winners. Hey, just give me the backstory. How long have you been in the industry? How did you get into the business?
So my family history, they've always been gelaterias, gelato makers. They came over from Naples in the late 1800s to Clerkenwell, which is known as Little Italy in London, and they were gelato makers. Every generation since has been a gelato maker. About 6 years ago, we realised that I was the last Caliendo, and if I didn't carry that on, then that legacy would have been lost. However, there'd been, maybe 60 years since the last shop was actually open. So we said, right, let's go train, let's learn from the Italian chefs, let's do it our way. It's obviously not how my ancestors probably did it because of
I don't
the
think
equipment.
environmental health would have allowed it, really, to be honest. Just on
so
that note, that handsome young chap there is Uncle Bubs, who was the last one to have made in the family.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's Mick's mum, the young
Gee. Hey, The Last Caliendo. That sounds like an action film or a. That's got to be a documentary. The last Caliendo. And what did you do before you got in the ice cream business? You were a pilot, were you
Yeah,
not?
so I was a commercial pilot, a flight instructor. Yeah, so I've
Crazy.
always been in aviation. That was a passion of mine, and I just wanted a new challenge, something completely different. And hey, I found my creative side. Apparently, I'm a gelato chef, and I didn't even know it.
It's in the blood. And you were in the military as well.
Yeah, I'm an ex-army officer and was with the medics. So I did 16
Unbelievable.
years and then out we come, and here we are in the happiness business.
So where do we find more about Caliendos? Where can people go to?
Online, find
Yeah,
us.
so online we're on Instagram, Facebook. We do a little bit of TikTok now and again. We've got our website, or come to our parlor,
importantly.
Kentish Town Road.
We're going to put all of those details actually on the website. Congratulations.
Thank you very
It's
much, Steve.
Pleasure to
absolutely
meet you.
crazy. We sat down at dinner last night. You were saying big fans of the YouTube channel.
Yeah,
so
yeah, absolutely.
Look-
Shout out.
Indeed.
I sort of looked across and went, "You're the YouTube guy."
Well, awesome. Again, we'll put those links down below. Congratulations. Been a great show. Hopefully you'll kind of return that trophy. Well, maybe you won't have to, but in a little bit better condition than it was given to you.
Bit of super glue. It'll be right. They won't know any difference.
Just give them a replica and keep this one in the back.
Exactly. It's nice though. It's not exactly subtle, but it's great for the parlour.
Absolutely it is. Thank you, folks. We'll keep
Thank
on
you.
scooping. See you in the next video.